Welcome to Recipes for 7 Life. It is never a bad time to have a good dessert. So my friend Nick from Elm Street Bakery is here to help us learn how to make what?
Carrot cake cupcakes.
I'm so excited for this. All right, Nick, so this is a process, right?
Yeah, it's very technical.
Yeah.
You definitely have to start with your eggs and your sugar. You have to cream them together. You want to incorporate as much air as you can.
Yeah.
It takes about 5 minutes.
5 minutes. So get your arm strength up, right? Get your arm strength
Make sure
up.
you had a nice workout.
Okay, and then from there, what do you do?
From there, you're gonna add in all your dry ingredients. Your cinnamon, your nutmeg, your clove, your vanilla as well, flour. You're gonna fold that until it's just incorporated.
Okay.
And then from there, you're gonna fold in your carrots. You wanna fold it in because you built all this air up. You don't wanna deflate it. Otherwise, you're gonna have a really dense final product.
We don't want that.
No,
we don't
absolutely
want that.
not.
Okay, and then let's talk a little bit about this frosting because is this cream cheese?
Cream cheese frosting. It's the only way to do a carrot cake.
Oh, well then you know what? On that note, I'm gonna try.
Go for it.
I'm gonna try.
I'll finish these up.
Okay, thank you. And then talk a little bit about Elm Street Bakery because you guys are super unique.
We're super unique. We work with a lot of local farms. We try really hard to put out the best produce that we possibly can. Highlighting those local farms.
Your trying does not go in vain. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. This is
be.
amazing, and you're sprinkling it with walnuts.
Candied walnuts.
This is fabulous. Like you guys need to try this.
Yeah.
What's your favorite dessert there?
Bree in the pastry department, she makes a funfetti donut. That is unbelievable.
Okay, so really quick, how long do they bake the cupcakes? Just really quick.
About 10 minutes at 350, and then you're gonna turn it and do another like 7 to 9 depending on your oven.
You have to try this. wkbw.com/7life to get this recipe. Oh my gosh, these are so good. Recipes for 7 Life would like to thank Acme Cabinet Company and Close Mentor.